someone promised to give you money and refuse to give you, or you are expecting company to call you for a contract. Are you with me? So you need a white onion. In today's video, I want to explain how to use onions. Hmm? Because onions, it has a lot of spiritual benefits. But today, I want to explain how to use it to attract a money. Are you with me? Or you are expecting money from someone, or you are expecting contracts from a company. Are you with me? There's a way to use onion. Hmm? Onions. And in my next video, I will also explain this same onion, how to use it to deal with your enemies. Hmm? To deal with your enemies. And how to use it. Hmm? To maybe you are going out, you are going to somewhere that is very dangerous. Maybe when you this onion, whenever they shake you, hmm? If anything, if they want to use something to if they want to use something against you, that is not going to work and it will backfire them. But I'm not going there today. What I want to explain today is how to use this onion to receive unexpected money. You understand what I mean? What I mean by the unexpected money is that the money that you are not even think of. One, or maybe someone, you want to collect money from someone and they refuse to pay you. You understand? Use onion. But you make sure that, but one thing is that if you want to use it to collect someone from money from someone, if the person doesn't have the money, there's no way he's going to give you the money, right? He can only promise you. Are you with me? So what you need is a white onion. White onions. You understand? You need a white onion, just like this one. So how to do it and how to use it. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Mutiu Olatiboye, also known as Babiwenje. This is your first time here. Everything I do here is to share spiritual tip, just like the one you want to watch right now. And if you find this video very interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and make sure you turn on the notification bell. So whenever I upload video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. And if you need more of my videos, you are free to go back to my previous video. You will see a lot of video there that can help your spiritual life. If you don't understand, please feel free to call me on 07037422552 or you message me on WhatsApp 09053332747. So as you see from the title, I want to explain how to use a white onion to receive an unexpected money from someone, or someone is maybe, or someone promised to give you money and refuse to give you, or you are expecting company to call you for a contract. Are you with me? So you need a white onion. White onions. Have you seen it? White. So in the morning, before you go out, you understand, this is what you are going to write on your left palm. If you are using right to write, you write it on your left palm. If you are using left to right, you have someone to write it or you do it for you by yourself. You it's not hard. Write this symbol display on the screen. That's this symbol. You write it on your palm with blue pen. Are you with me? With blue pen. So immediately you write the number. You are going to cut this onion into two. You cut it into two. Are you with me? So when you cut onion into two, the one that fall out on the left is what you are going to pick. So you are now use the one that fall out on the left side. You now use the onion. You use it to clean the number. You clean it, you rub your palm very well. You rub it very well. Make sure you use it to rub it very well. Then the one that fall. So the second part of the onion, you take it, you now use your left hand. You use it to rub the right palm. You rub it very well. You rub it very well. Make sure you rub it very well. Then you now use water, ordinary water or warm water to wash your hand with soap. But you can only do this after beating. You understand? You can only do it after beating. Use water to wash it very well. See, by the grace of Almighty God, people will remember you for good. Believe me. Simple as ABC. But make sure that the onions must be a white onion. Please, Baba, I can't find white onion. Can I use a red one? No, don't use red one. Use white onion. Those people that promised to give you something a long time ago, contract new, money new, and so on, believe me, they will call you in the next 24 hours. You will receive a call. You will receive what? You will receive a call. Are you with me? Don't add any other thing to it except this symbol. You write this symbol on your left palm and you cut the onion into two. The one that fall on the left side, you pick it. You use it to clean the number, the symbol. You clean it very well. You clean it very well. You clean it very well. So the one that fall on the right side, you pick it as well. You use it to clean the right your palm, and you now take water to wash it away. Simple as ABC. Don't need to add any other thing to it, please. But if you don't understand, feel free to call me on 070-3742-2552. You message me on WhatsApp 090-5333-2747. In my next video, I will explain how to use this same onion to deal with your enemies. You understand? You know, say no matter how you cut onion, no matter how you cut it, you are going to feel it. Are you with me? So anyone behind your problem, anyone behind your suffering, don't worry, leave them for God. By the grace of Almighty God, you will surely share me a good testimony. So that is how to do it, and that is how to use it. If you love this video, please send me to like this video. You comment as you like my video, you comment. May Almighty God bless you and bless your family. Thank you.
Alawalu, alakiru, asohiru, abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dá. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. Ìwọ ṣàlò ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀mí nìyẹn. Fásikúrú ni wọ́n nínú ìsìnkú. Láfi ń ṣe tiwa, ewé jẹ́ òbẹ̀. Èyí tó dá fún wa ládẹ̀ gbójúlé, èyí tó ní ká ló ládẹ̀ ń lò. Ọba ńlá ń dákun máa jẹ́ ká ṣiṣẹ́, ọba tó rí gbogbo ẹ̀dá ta ò rí. Ìwọ lọ́ba tá ń gbàṣẹ lọ́dọ̀ rẹ̀, à ń bẹ̀ ọ́.